Looking for speakers that stay clear even at full volume? This review covers the 7 best truck speakers for loud sound. We focus on loud car audio, strong mids, and solid bass. See which door speakers and component sets work best in trucks. Quick tips help you choose fast. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the 7 best truck speakers for loud sound. Let's get started. 1.
Pioneer A-Series TS-A6881F. The Pioneer A-Series TS-A6881F is a smart choice if your truck still runs stock speakers. The sound feels cleaner right away. Vocals come through sharp, and music sounds more alive during long drives. This speaker handles up to 350 watts of maximum power. You can raise the volume without hearing crackle or harsh noise. The bass is steady and controlled, not too heavy but still enjoyable. It works well for many music styles, from pop to rock. The build quality feels strong and reliable. It is designed to fit many factory speaker slots, so installation stays simple. Most users can install it without special tools, which saves both time and money. If you want a quick improvement without changing your full system, this speaker does the job well. The price usually ranges from $90 to $110. That makes it a solid upgrade without spending too much. Verdict: the best speaker for truck owners who want an easy, affordable upgrade with clear and louder sound.
2.
DS18 Pro GM6B Loudspeaker. The DS18 Pro GM6B is made for one thing: very loud sounds. If you like music that feels strong and bold, this speaker is a fun choice. It plays voices and instruments very clearly, even when the volume is high. This speaker can handle up to 480 watts of maximum power. That means it gets loud fast and fills your truck with sound. It does not give deep bass. You may need a subwoofer if you want heavy beats and low rumble. Still, the mids stay strong and easy to hear in all songs. It works best with an amplifier for even better output. The build is tough and made for long use. The price is around $35 to $43 for one speaker. Verdict: choose this truck speaker if loud and clear matter most, and you plan to add bass later.
3. ORION Cobalt CM654. The ORION Cobalt CM654 speaker is all about big sound and high energy. When you play music, it feels loud and exciting right away. It is great for people who enjoy music that stands out. This speaker can reach up to 1,000 watts of maximum power. That means it can play very loudly without losing clear sound. Voices stay sharp and music feels strong even when you turn the volume high. The special bullet in the center helps send sound straight out. One thing to remember is that it does not make deep bass. If you like strong, low beats, you may need to add a subwoofer. Still, the mid-range sounds are very clear and easy to enjoy. It also handles heat well, so it can play loud for a long time without trouble. You will get the best result with an amplifier. The price is around $65 to $85 for 2 speakers. Verdict: this speaker is a good choice for people who want bright, loud music that fills the air and feels exciting. 4. JBL GTO-690C. The JBL GTO-690C car speaker sounds clean and smooth. It's a good pick if you like music that feels clear, not too harsh. When you play songs, voices sound natural and easy to hear. This speaker can handle up to 270 watts peak power. It may not be the loudest here, but it still gets loud enough for most trucks. The bass is deeper than you might expect. It gives a nice thump without sounding messy. This is a component speaker set. That means it comes with separate parts for better sound. You get clearer highs and better detail in music. It may take a little more time to install, but the result is worth it. The crossover helps send the right sounds to each part for better quality. It works well with many music styles like pop, soft rock, and hip-hop. The price is around $130 to $147. Verdict: a smart speaker pick if you care about clear sound and balanced music, not just loud noise. 5. RECOIL REM65 Echo Series. The RECOIL REM65 Echo Series gives you a nice mix of loud sound and comfort. It feels friendly on the ears, even when you play music for a long time. The sound is clear, and nothing feels too sharp or too dull. This speaker can play loud enough for daily driving. It gives good mids and soft bass that fits many songs. You can enjoy music without needing to turn the volume too high. That makes it great for long trips. The parts feel strong and well made. It does not shake or distort easily. You also get a component setup, so the sound feels more open and spread out. It may take a bit more time to install, but most users manage it fine. It also works well with factory radios without needing extra gear. The price is around $47 to $55 for a pair. Verdict: a good speaker for calm and clear listening, especially if you want comfort over a very loud sound. 6. Kenwood KFC-1666R. The Kenwood KFC-1666R is simple, easy, and fun to use. If your old speakers sound weak, this one gives a quick boost. Music feels louder and clearer right after you install it. It can handle up to 300 watts of maximum power. That's good for daily use. The sound is bright and voices are easy to understand. Bass is light, so it won't shake your truck, but it still sounds nice for most songs. The design is basic but strong. It uses a cloth woofer and a dome tweeter for smooth sound. You don't need special tools to install it, which makes it great for beginners. Most people finish the setup fast. The speaker also has a heavy magnet that helps improve sound control. It works well with factory radios, so you don't need extra gear. The price is around $50 to $80 for a pair. Verdict: a smart truck speaker choice for first-time buyers who want a cheap, easy upgrade that sounds better than stock.
7. Pyle PLG-6C Component Speakers. Pyle PLG-6C is a colorful and simple speaker set that many people enjoy. It looks bright and stands out, which makes it fun for your truck. When you play music, the sound feels clear and easy to listen to. This speaker can go up to 400 watts max power. It gets loud enough for daily use without sounding rough. The bass gives a small punch, and the highs stay soft and smooth. It works well for songs you play every day. You get a full set with extra parts in the box. That helps a lot during setup. Even if you are new, you can install it with little effort. The materials feel okay and last well with normal use. The butyl rubber surround helps reduce vibration and keeps sound stable. It can work with your stock system, but it sounds better with an amp. The price is around $49 to $60. Verdict: the best truck speaker for people who want a simple, fun speaker set that is easy to use and looks different.
Which truck speakers for loud sound should you buy? Choosing the right speaker is simple when you know what you want. If you like very loud sound, go for the ORION Cobalt CM654 or the DS18 Pro GM6B speakers. These are made for strong volume and clear mids that stand out. If you want clean and smooth music, the JBL GTO609C car speaker is a great choice. It gives better balance and deeper bass. Pioneer TS-A6881F truck speaker is also a safe pick for daily use with clear sound. On a budget, the Kenwood KFC-1666R and the Pyle PLG-6C speakers are simple and easy upgrades. RECOIL REM65 truck speaker works well for calm and easy listening. If you want a mix of loud and clear, the Pioneer TS-A6881F truck speaker is the best overall choice. Pick what fits your style, your budget, and how loud you want your music.